outside of Spring, Texas, and the Woodlands, Texas. I have my wife and my mom and my son here today. We're just gonna do a little walking through the woods and try to get some exercise. And hopefully my 8-month pregnant wife, she can hang in there. Stay tuned. Come on, Bubba. Did you?
Yeah. How do you ever walk along that? What is that right there?
Kind of a canoe.
Is that all closed off?
Yeah. Yeah.
Snake! I saw a snake.
The southern copperhead.
Copperhead snake. Copperhead snake. What is this snake? What? That's fire snake.
Yeah, what?
That's a fire snake.
That's a coral. That's a cottonmouth. That's a copperhead.
That's a snake.
You ready?
Yeah. We saw another. We saw another one.
What is it?
I mean, dinosaurs want a sand. Dinosaurs want sand.
Dinosaur wants sand?
Oh, we saw this.
Come on, buddy. We're on the boardwalk now. Little tiny boardwalk. There's no rattlesnakes. Yes, they can. All snakes can swim, buddy. Yes, rattlesnakes can swim.
Yeah, they're little tiny arms. They're hiding.
Come on, buddy.
It's really. Oh no! I ripped balls. Keep this. Can I keep this?
It's a leaf.
Go in the tree.
Sure, go ahead.
I could go in the tree. Oh, I found it in the tree. Let's go that. I go that way and you go. Let's go that way.
I guess it was part of. Honestly, we've never been that way.
Does that go across? Yes, we have. It's the loop.
Come, Bubba. Let's go this way.
But it was closed off last time and we couldn't get all the way through, so we had to backtrack.
You want to try it? You said you want something new.
Good jump, Logan. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
See how that goes right here? You're missing this other trail too.
That's what connects right there, babe.
Let's go all the way back.
Yes, it's the same trail, sweetheart. This one might be the part of the other preserve you've never been to. I'm gonna go look at this rook. I don't see any snakes. Ain't out yet. Interview. How are you feeling?
Pregnant. Not.
Is that the truth?
It's the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
We don't believe her. Yeah, there's the. It looks like the part of a creek right there. There's a post right there.
That's what I was telling you. There was concrete
Ooh,
taken.
it's a pier.
Lifted out of.
So this is probably what it's talking about, the other part of that preserve, because that looks like the creek right there. Yeah. Fossil. Well, while they're trying to catch up, I'm just gonna think about getting out of the house and maybe we can find a few snakes. My son has a little fear of snakes, but I'm trying to get him over that. He knows the difference between the venomous snakes and the non-venomous. And all we really have is just rat snakes and garter snakes and ribbon snakes around here, which are colubrids. And we have our normal cottonmouths, copperheads. We have a few coral snakes and we have a few rattlesnakes, but they're very few and far between. Let's go see where they're at. What's wrong? What's wrong with Logie?
Baby, let's walk.
Come on, Bubba.
Person or animal?
Where?
Way back there.
Probably an animal. It could be a person.
Nobody's gonna hold you.
Not right now, Bubba.
You're walking.
I doubt we're gonna go very far anyway, Bubby. That or a little drainage. Here we go. Guess they finished part of the preserve. Well, there used to be the trail closed, but it looks like it's open.
Well, that one you were reading, remember I told you it's been opened up properly. I think somebody came and that sign wouldn't still be there.
No, but there's people behind us. Yeah, but they walk this every day, sweetheart. If they didn't want it open, they would block it off. Yeah, these are old signs.
Because they had said they had it closed because of flooding.
Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba. Who's Grandpa? There's no Grandpa here.
That's what he's doing with the stick.
What? No. I didn't think we were gonna come this way. Pow, pow, pow. Yeah, sweetheart, this looks new right here. No, don't. It's got a weaving trash can. Look at all the beer in there.
Eagle Scouts built this.
In 2013. See the woven trash can?
Under the freeway, though. Under the freeway.
I know, what's you? Hey, I want to go in the woods.
You are in the woods, Bubba. Say hello.
I already said hello.
Say it.
Hello.
Say it like you mean it. Pregnancy hormones, they get the best of them.
What did that tree ever do to you, boy?
Let me what is in hey.
You just hit the GoPro, Bubba. What, little pigs?
No, they made the...
Oh,
We're going straight to the creek, though, right?
Yeah.
You can look at that when we come back.
oh look, that's woven.
Come on, we can look at it real quick.
Oh, that is pretty cool. That's like that place in Stillhouse, babe. Yeah. Now this is pretty cool. A little woven. All right, Bubba, let's turn back. Let's go to Mama. What? Yeah, yes, baby. Logan, where are you going, Bubba? Over here, this way. Why, baby? Why do you ask? What's wrong with it?
Watch our son. Slow down, Logan.
There's a sign right there.
Yeah, no, I see it.
Here, Bubba.
I didn't know the number was right.
I don't know. You want me to carry you down?
I want to slow down.
Okay.
Don't
Watch
slide
your
on
stick.
butt. Yeah, you get dirty. Slow down. I think he's got it.
He probably does.
That's where it's the weight.
You're not gonna fall down. It'd be left or right. You can't go straight. Well, you could, but it doesn't look very pleasant. Not with shorts and Crocs
You
on.
go. Oh, yeah. I guess not.
What is this?
I was gonna say,
You want to go right? I think it connects, sweetheart. To be honest with you. See, this is the same thing about our house. The property,
Conservation.
the Bayou Conservers. Come on, Bubba. Logie. Logan, you're getting sand on Mama. Come on.
yeah, I wonder if there's a body of water along that hill.
I think there's a body of water right here. Here, you want to go straight? I can go through it.
Yeah, honey, y'all are half here. We're walking. I got sand in my shoes too. You're fine. In a little bit, I will.
The water's right there.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, the water's right here. Butterfly. There he goes. Those two trees colliding right there.
What?
And I'll tend to him. Ooh. I don't know about that one. Got some pallets. Old beer bottles. You got it? At least there's no horseflies chasing us. That's always a plus. I'll carry you back, Bubba. Let's just keep... Here. Let's make it to the creek.
What do you do? What's over there? Grass. You gotta go through the grass. It has to be carried. Come on, look. Go down there. The dog playing in the water there. Go take the shade real quick. See what's around the bend here.
Cool.
Look down there first. That's open.
Okay. I'm glad you want to get down now. That bridge has got swag. That's what it says. People have been fishing right there. Got pole holders. You want to try to walk? Come here. Grab a hold, Dad. Grab a hold so I can pick you up. We'll probably go right here, then turn around, look at the water for a little bit, and make our way back. What?
I'm thirsty too.
Yeah, you're just gonna make a longer walk, sweetheart. Yeah. What? Yeah, that's the walk. You wanna get down, play on the beach now? Play in the sand?
I want to put this in the water.
Go ahead, come on.
Okay? Oh. This is mine.
It's just wet sand, honey. You're fine.
Pig tracks. Yeah, those are red sparrows. You want a drink?
No thanks.
He said no thanks. There's anything in this nasty pool. Nope. Oh, we got minnows living in this one. A bunch of minnows living in that one. Fireworks. People are popping fireworks under here. That's smart. People popping fireworks underneath here. Follow the creek up. There might not be a trail up for a while, sweetheart. This is a nice spot to go fishing. And people have pole holders right there.
That must be the deep spot because that dog.
Well, you're underneath a bridge, so usually it is. I bet there's a few gar that live in here.
Somewhere over here now.
Bubba, put that back. That's people's, okay?
Oh.
We'll go ahead and put that back.
Watch out! Watch out, Jimmy! You throw this at you.
You can throw it.
What? Speakers, honey?
It's a Helgramite. No, this is not a Helgramite. Look at that. That's what Logan was playing with.
He wasn't playing with it, but he saw it. So that's like weird looking to have hands.
I know. He was burrowing.
Mama, boy,
Just watch him burrow. There he goes. Wow. That is quick. That was quick.
The way he does.
Disappears instantly.
Go with Daddy and he'll get the rinse them and clean stuff, cover it or something.
Come on, Bubba. Rinse your hands. More. Here. Go like this. You gotta be in the water. They're clean. Clean as they're gonna get with you.
Huh?
They're clean. Yeah, this is just a little tiny gar coming up.
What's your hair? Come on, we gotta walk sideways.
right there.
Come on, Bubba, let's make our way back.
Yep, I want to keep your hand.
Hand, hand, and hand.
Mm-hmm.
Chance.
What's it? Donkey Kong. Let's make our way back, Bubba. Is that a bucket? What are you thinking? You want me to help you push you up there?
I was just thinking of going that way, but I probably should just go over the rocks. Just give me a minute. I need to get out of the sun now too. Maybe don't. You just scared me.
Maybe. I'm making sure you don't fall, sweetheart.
No, I don't know where to go.
Yeah.
With him?
Yeah. Yeah, if you didn't know there was an opening right there, I don't think many people be walking to it. You want me to carry you, Bubba? You get down.
Everybody, there's a bathroom right there.
Okay. No, just put him down. Come here, Bubba. Come here.
There's what? Bad one right there.
The burr.
Right there, the big thorns. And then here's the little ones.
Once we get back in the woods, you're gonna walk. Daddy can't carry you this whole entire time with Crocs on.
Heat it up just in that little bit on the rock.
Yeah, we can my contact. Yay!
Uh-huh. I gotta let you down a little bit so I can make it too tall. Wait up, wait up. Okay, now get back down. Let me pick you back up. Let me pick you back up. Just watch your head. Ow. What are you saying ow about? You're not hitting anything. Damn it. Straight, where are we going?
She's scratching, so I'll let you down when we get somewhere. You're fine now? What was the noise under the bridge? Oh, okay. Oh, baby. Keep it fine. You do some things you can't get rid of.
I know. Then they bring carpenter ants, you get bit all the time.
Aww. Always gotta have a feeling with that pretty nose, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, son. We can walk now.
Let me get him on the steep thing first, sweetheart.
I'm gonna have him walk up the hill with me. That's a drainage bank. It's right here where we came from.
Yeah.
This looks easier for him and us.
Come, Bubba. Go to
Come
Mama.
on, walk with me. Let's go up the hill. Come on. You gonna climb the mountain with me?
Bubba, you're gonna have to do it so I can pick you back up. You have to go up.
You wanna go over here where we came down with the woods?
You're not gonna get your tablet if you don't do it.
Here, give me a hand. Give me a hand, Daddy. Can't carry you right now.
Let's get out of here. Ow. I know, she's, whatever she wants to do.
Spring Creek this way. Yeah.
I know.
No, we knew that. That's why it's just way down there. And people don't remember. Not walked on it. That's why he was saying we can't walk the creek.
Stay on the side.
This is how it always turns out. Me carrying him for half a mile.
All right, Logan. You want your grandpa stick?
Yeah, let's just get back to the vehicle. See, the structure of there's just like Stillhouse.
Logan, you want a drink? Put your hands out of your mouth, please. You
Is-
have them in nasty sand.
Is my glasses still on top of my hat?
Bring down down so you can get a drink.
You want a drink, Bobo?
Yeah, you just sit.
Here, get a drink.
Come here, Mom will wait with you. Let's get a grandpa stick. You want a grandpa stick? That's the end of the trail, ain't it?
Yeah. Here we haven't seen really any animals. She's saying keep going so you don't catch up.
You need to sit down and rest. Found a cool bug. Daddy put it on his shelf. You're gonna get to see that bug on TV. Isn't that neat? You need to sit down.
You want to sit down?
That's that. It'll be too much to go again.
Come on, Bobo.
I think the sound under the bridge disoriented me. Okay, then.
Come, Bobo. We're almost there. We're not far.
That doesn't feel like it did me under the bridge.
We're not far. Less than half a mile. You can do it.
You put your finger, you're sucking his thumb.
He'll have a good immune system.
Oh, we're gonna double suction things.
The dinosaur has no legs.
Huh? Dinosaur not have wings?
He has no legs.
He's wings?
Yes, it's Spinosaurus. That goes to the canoe.
Oh, no, that's drainage.
Yeah. Watch out, buddy.
Huh?
Say, watch out, buddy.
Oh.
You'll hang in there.
Mama, stop. Hey,
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Trying to get her out of the house, see if we can get the oven to pop a little bit early. Just a wonderful hot Sunday evening. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for future content. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. You have a wonderful evening.